Hi, it's Di with WTI, and here I have this beautiful planter from Word Garden. And what is also cool about this, it comes in a pack of 2. That makes it easier to make a statement piece. My absolute favorite part of this is the cool texture it has, because it looks like ceramic even though it's made of sturdy, recyclable plastic. And it's an amazing planter both for indoor or outdoor use, and I wanted specifically something for my entryway, so it looks nice and bright and welcoming on an entryway. And these are made to withstand any kind of weather, so that's why it's also a good idea to use this outdoors. Of course you can put them indoors too. The material is durable and extremely beautiful. I just love how elegant this looks like. Now I can have my morning coffee looking at these beautiful planters. It's not only me who loves this, it's also my plants that love these planters. And that is my point of view.